Let's be honest, nobody wants to be caught in their slumbering position when someone opens the door. Look at this room layout. The door opens and boom, straight view of you, your partner, and probably your smiling face. Privacy zero. Now see the second layout. The bed is positioned away from the door. So when someone enters, they see his wardrobe, not your exposed leg hanging off the bed. Same room, same furniture, different vibes, different peace of mind. So as designers or occupants, learn to position your furniture the right way.